Thinking of replacing your windows in Purcellville, Virginia? Knowing what to expect during the process can help set your project up for success. Once you and your Loudoun County window professionals agree to move forward, it's time to prepare your residence. Your first step is to clear a path for your window installers to navigate your Purcellville, Virginia home. This means you need to move all furniture that may be in the way of the windows being replaced. If possible, consider removing all nearby wall art or decor. There's a lot of banging and movement during a window installation, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Also, ensure that the exterior around the window is easily accessible. This means you don't have to remove any shrubs or flowers. We can work around those. Instead, focus on patio furniture, grills, and even garden hoses that may be blocking the path. Of course, you may have many questions about whether window replacement is your best option, and we are here to answer any questions about the process, whether it is needed, and how to prepare. Contact Milcon Design and Build today at 703-581-2761 to schedule a free window replacement consultation.